How's all the YouTubers doing today? Today I'll be doing a video on fixing a Shark Navigator vacuum belt. It's pretty simple. There's 4 star head screws you got to take out to get to the vacuum. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. It's a nice vacuum. I found it. Like everything else, you're going to need one of these special bits. It's like a star head bit. You can buy them at Walmart. I bought the whole Hyper Tough kit. Comes with this nice driver. It's only $10. And I bought a small one for working on TVs. Alright, Hyper Tough rules. Okay, I'm going to take them screws out with that wrench. After all that, the belt was good. I got everything cleaned up in here. I found out that if you don't tilt the thing, the motor don't start on these Shark Navigators. It has to be in tilt mode. You got to tilt it, then it kicks on the drive. Alright, hope that helps some people. Bye-bye. It's fixed. I didn't need a belt. Belt was good. Just needed to tilt it. Alright, have a great day. Bye-bye. Buy some of Fitz's finest new candies. New item on the menu. Milk Duds, Reese's Pieces, Nerds, Sugar Babies. And I'll be getting more. I forgot to get my Whoppers. Alright, smell you later.